So I bought the PS5 Pro and my games look better, but I'm not sure if I'm getting the most out of this. They only look slightly better. There's one crucial element you probably forgot to upgrade. What's that? Your TV. Gotta upgrade that too. Why? My TV is good. I don't need a new one. True, your TV is good, but to take advantage of the PS5 Pro and all of its features, you gotta make sure the TV you have is the right one. Explain. One of the things that's often not mentioned about the PS5 Pro is that you need a TV or display that is going to support all the new features that it has. So most likely you're gonna need something that has 4K, HDR capabilities, preferably OLED, also has 120 Hz refresh rate and HDMI 2.1 to take full advantage of all the graphical improvements that the PS5 Pro has to offer. Now, the reason that these TV specs are so crucial is because the promise of the PS5 Pro is not having to make the choice between high frame rates or high resolution. It's supposed to eliminate that and give you the best of both worlds. Now, if you're considering TVs, and this is not sponsored by the way, I would definitely check out LG's G5 series of TVs that I got announced earlier this year at CES as options. And also from LG, if you're looking at monitors, you might want to consider their 45-inch OLED monitor in the Ultra Gear lineup as an option to use for this as well to get the full capabilities from the PS5 Pro. Also check out this link below that I have from Retro Era. This gives you a full list of all the PS5 Pro enhanced games and what actually was enhanced on them and all the other new features with that. So check out that list, see if there's games in there that you like so that you know if you really want to go for the Pro and you want to get that new TV and you have to spend some money on it, you're really going to know you're going to get the best bang for your buck. Wow, that's great info. And now it has me thinking that that's kind of a hidden cost, isn't it? If I have to buy a new TV to take advantage of the PS5 Pro, is it really worth getting it? If you are upgrading your TV in the next 1 to 2 years, then I would say go ahead and spend a little extra money for the PS5 Pro because most likely you'll get a TV that will support all those features. However, if you like your TV right now and don't plan to upgrade anytime soon, go ahead and get the regular PS5. You have a good experience with that and you save yourself some cash.